mga ka-legit Davercads, Catherine Bernardo, abay sumisigaw ng hustisya. Ano nga ba ang sinasabi niya sa kanyang Instagram post? At Catherine ang tinaguriang bagong mukha ng kaseksihan at kagandahan. Ano nga ba ang nakapaloob sa mga balitang ito? Ang lahat ng yan. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at i-hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating updates for today's video, nais ko po muna of course magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga legit viewers, subscribers at ang lahat ng mga legit na nagmamahal at sumusubaybay sa lahat ng ating mga updates. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. And for today's video, pag-usapan po natin ito dahil si Catherine po ngayon ay super hot at talaga namang pinag-uusapan online dahil sa katatapos na kanyang photoshoot na siya po ang pinakabagong mukha na itinuturing na bagong mukha ng Century Tuna, kung saan dati po ang model po nito, ambassador po nito ay si Mr. Alden Richards and Miss Bea Alonzo. But this time, dahil po nag-switch na, no? Ito na dahil talaga namang nakuha na po ni Miss Catherine Bernardo ang crowd at talagang grabe yung kanyang pagpapasexy ngayon. Talagang nagpapakita siya ng cleavage, ng kanyang abs, ng skin, 'di ba? So narito ang ilan sa mga video clip na nasa screen kung saan masayang-masaya si Catherine Bernardo dahil finally ay na-flex na niya ang pagiging bagong super bod ambassador ng Century Tuna. Sa kanyang Instagram ay pinasilip ni Catherine ang ginawa niyang paghahanda para sa endorsement. Makikita roon ang pagbubuhat niya ng mga barbell para ma-achieve ang kanyang fit body at takaw pansin na abs. Yun talaga yung pinagpukulan niya ng panahon, talagang nag-exercise siya every now and then, talagang pinalabas niya talaga yung kanyang abs. Say ni Catherine, teenager pa lang siya, ay dream na niyang maging bahagi nito. It's been a dream to be part of his campaign ever since I was teenager. I've always been a fan of their campaign because they always encourage people to be the best version of themselves while taking care of their bodies. It's so surreal to be a part of this now. Saad ng kapamilya actress. Thank you to the best team for being supportive. I can put into words how excited I am, dagdag pa niya. Kabilang sa mga bumati sa kanya sina Miles Ocampo, Loisa Andalio at Ivana Alawi. Ilan sa mga celebrity na naging endorser na nito ay sina Bea Alonzo, Alden Richards, Ann Curtis, and Miss Universe 2015 Pia Wurtzbach. So ito po yung kanyang sa Instagram, somebody pinch me. I've been wanting to share this with all of you. I'm so proud and honored to be announced that I am now officially part of the Century Tuna Super Bud family. This is one of the biggest surprise I've ever received last Feb. When they reached out to my team, I started preparing training as soon as I found out. Shortly after we shot the TBC and did the photoshoot first week of March, and here we are, sabi niya. Everything happened so fast. It's been a dream to be part of this campaign ever since I was teenager. I've always been fan of their campaign because they always encourage people to be the best version of themselves while taking care of their bodies. So surreal to be part of this now. Thank you to the best team for being supportive. I can put into words how excited I am. A big thank you to my Century Tuna fam for the warmest welcome. You've been so nice to me, Huhu. I'm looking forward to continuing this journey of self-love with all of you. Cheers! So yun nga yung laman ng kanyang Instagram account, talagang grabe yung pasasalamat niya. Pero kasabay nga nito sa kanyang huling Instagram story ay nag-post siya ng isang golden retriever na kung saan trending po siya ngayon. Isa si Miss Catherine Bernardo sa nagpapakita at talaga namang isa sa mga nakaramdam ng sobrang panghihinayang para po sa nangyari sa isang golden retriever na pinatay ng walang kaabog-abog. Isa sa mga sumisigaw ng hustisya si Miss Catherine at maraming mga celebrity ang nagtulong-tulong at nagpost ng kanilang mga damdamin patungkol sa pangyayaring ito. Kasi nakakadurog naman talaga ng puso, 'di ba? Anthony Solares has admitted to killing the Labrador Retriever Kilwa. In an interview with One News, he said that he only did what he should do. He also said that he beat the dog with stone and wood to prevent the latter from beating people. Anthony also said that he was not the one who put the dog inside the sack. So inamin po nitong suspect na ito na talagang siya po ang pumatay dito po kay Kalwa, no, na isang retriever dog, at sinabi niya na ginawa niya lang daw yung kung ano yung nararapat dahil marami na daw ng kinagat itong si Kalwa. Kilwa or Kalwa. He claimed that Kilwa beat him and also he beat his wife, which was he chased it to prevent it from beating more people. He also admitted to beating Kilwa with stone on wood. A CCTV also showed that she was chasing Kilwa, and in response to the question about it was that the dog was already about to bite and attack. So sabi niya, kaya daw niya ginawa yun kasi marami na daw nakakagat itong aso na ito, no? He insists that his action was merely to prevent it from biting and attacking people. And he also said that he was beaten by Kilwa and that he already had himself treated. So sabi niya nga, 'di ba, parang pinagamot niya na yung sarili niya dahil kinagat siya. Isa si Miss Catherine Bernardo sa mga nanghihingi ng hustisya para sa pagkamatay ng isang golden retriever dahil alam po natin that Miss Catherine is one of the four parents, ano, dami niyang mga dogs. At ganoon din si Mr. Daniel Padilla, isa sa mga tinuturing talaga nilang babies, yung kanilang mga kanilang mga babies. At syempre hindi rin naman po nagpahuli itong isa sa mga owner nitong 3-year-old dog na lifeless dog na si Kilwa. Sabi niya, for the information of everyone, hindi yan nakakalabas kasi bukas ang gate. The gate was locked. Tumaas siya tapos nahulog ata. We don't exactly know what happened. He was probably anxious and stressed. Hindi siya sanay sa labas kasi loob lang yan ng bahay palagi. Kaya hindi namin binuksan yung pinto kaya nakalabas. And if nangangagat man, it is not enough reason to kill my pet. He was asking for apology but no so sorry could ever replace my baby. He was loved by everyone. Nakakaantig nga yung mensahe nung may-ari mismo, no. Sabi niya, he was loved by everyone and he loved us the same more than pangga. I'll miss sleeping beside you, my baby. I miss taking a shower with you kasi sasama ka. Kasi gusto mo dito tayo naghihiwalay kahit sa pagligo ko. Ayun. So, medyo nakakaantig yung post nga ni Miss Bina Rachel na isa sa mga owner. Kaya naman maging si Catherine Bernardo po ay sumisigaw ng hustisya para kay Kilwa na pinatay ng walang kaabog-abog. So, hindi man nakita yung totoong pangyayari dahil yun ang kwento nung isang yung pumatay dun sa dog. But, syempre po medyo masakit sa lahat, lalo-lalo na sa mga fur parents. So that's it for today. For more videos and updates, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Dar Eds TV. God bless everyone.